Today I'm planning to sort out the brakes. The hydraulics are all there and the cables are all there, but they need adjusting and need bleeding. So, need the wheels off. Because I sometimes need to work on the car with the wheels off the ground over the pit, I needed a pit jack. The proper ones, marvellous things, but they come with a 4-figure price tag. This I knocked up for about 100 quid. Yeah, it could be better, but it does the job. One of the problems I found when assembling this was that these pins are actually slightly larger than the holes in the handbrake lever arms. I don't know whether it's because they're not the correct original standard part, but it's very, very close, you can see, so it's quite possible I've just got a bit of crud on there. So I'm just going to run a drill through and clean them up. Excellent. So, that needs just a tiny bit of tension to get that in place, so that's probably about right. I'll drop that through. Yeah, there we go. So the reason I'm setting it with a bit of tension is because this is a new handbrake cable and it's not even stretched around its cable guides yet. Okay, just need to put the pin in. Okay, now I've done the other side and I've pulled the handbrake on and off a few times, and there's still a fair amount of slack on there, so I'm going to readjust this. Unfortunately, adjusting these requires you to pull the pin back out. Gripping the thread, I need to open that hole up a fraction. Okay, so I've got that back together and fairly taut. I can still turn the wheels, a little bit stiff. I've just checked it with the handbrake on and they don't move at all, but the brake shoes still need adjusting, which is done with that little square adjusting bolt there. Unfortunately the camera battery ran out, so I didn't get any footage of adjusting the rear brakes with the square-headed brake spanner, or of bleeding them with the one-man bleeding kit, which worked surprisingly well. I'm just going to show you quickly some stills, in fact, because it was too dark under there for video. This is the handbrake cable as it goes around the guides in the chassis, and you can see it's actually not pulled completely taut. It's a brand new cable, it's still quite stiff. I fully expect it to stretch. So I've set the intermediate lever right back as far as it'll go, which will allow me to adjust it here. As you can see, plenty of adjustment available, and that's a lot less hassle than having to take the wheels off.